Why regular walk-in cooler inspections are important. Regular walk-in cooler inspections are super important for a bunch of reasons. First, they make sure the food inside stays safe to eat. If the cooler isn't working right, food can go bad and make people sick. Inspections can catch problems like temperature changes, leaks, or broken cooling systems that could cause food safety issues. Second, inspections can help stop expensive equipment from breaking down. Walk-in coolers are pricey, and regular checkups can catch problems before they get too big to fix. That can save money on repairs or even having to replace the whole unit. Third, inspections help keep energy costs low. A walk-in cooler that's running right uses less energy, which means lower utility bills. Inspections can find issues like bad insulation or broken compressors that waste energy and drive up costs. Last but not least, inspections are important to make sure you're following the regulations. Lots of places have health and safety rules that walk-in coolers need to follow. Regular inspections can make sure the cooler is up to code and help avoid expensive fines or legal trouble. We recommend getting a pro inspection at least once a year, but more might be necessary depending on how much the cooler gets used and its condition. Would you like to see more content like this in the future? If you have any questions, call us at 281-818-5959.